Former acting chairperson of Manipur Human Rights Commission, 𝐒𝐓𝐎𝐏𝐿, has stated that the ethnic clash triggered by the demand of a separate administration in Manipur has caused grievous inconveniences to the public. The demand by carrying out a so-called peaceful rally of illegal immigrants from Myanmar displaying sophisticated weapons was supported by the then Kuki MLAs who want to disintegrate Manipur. 𝐒𝐓𝐿 was speaking exclusively to Northeast Window at his residence at 𝐒𝐓𝐎𝐏𝐿 today. He reiterated that the current crisis facing the state of Manipur is caused by the illegal migrants from neighboring country, Myanmar. It is therefore an urgent need to implement NRC in the state, construct proper border fencing, and arrest illegal immigrants and deport them. 𝐒𝐓𝐿 also said in his crucial juncture, ruling BJP government has not taken up any action against 7 MLAs from the hills. He condemned the central government for playing divide and rule rather than resolving the crisis. Arresting village defense volunteers even while the war is still on is very untimely, added 𝐒𝐓𝐿.
Golden Triangle lama lingkhatpa pamba tokhaina chaba pamba lam leijadaba adugumba Myanmar dagi changakpa kuki singna akhoi hana leijariba kuki singi kangmu maraktagi adugumba suspension of operation aidana kuki lalauba haibitare adusu Myanmar dagi changakpa chairman oiba keno yadare sina chingbako issue ama mitei na scheduled tribe demand tawbasi yaningde haidana me ohumda peace rally ni solidarity march ni haibigi mamingda chalakpa kolai paiba sugi kangbu maya mamana yinongmei maya mama yalaga chalakpa koi punwana thengna khare hairiba manipur gi apunba saktam thugaiba pama kangbu se namthagi hairabadi bharat sarkar na at any moment pungama anida or thengamada nomagi manungda nini manungda yaba poneba sida thama changba thani changba adugi ofum kanthaliteba bharat sarkar na tawrage na hairabadi kudukta tawba yaba poneba adu maru oina hariba mayam chi tawnana bigi damakta akhoi gi MLA sing maroina ruling party gi BJP na ruling party ni BJP na sason paidibani mage MLA mayam ama leiribani aduna BJP maraktagi tingi MLA kuki MLA taret na atopa ohum amgal winaraga moi tara na Manipur thugaina ba Manipur dagi tokhaibe administration ama leijage haibisi BJP na thingadabane aba